What's going on, guys? Money winners here. In this video I'm going to show you the top 7 easy side hustle tips to start earning money online for free. But you need to make sure you watch the entire video to the end, so you don't miss out on any of these easy ways that will allow you to start your side hustle and start making money online. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'll give you 2 pro bonus tips. So, if you're excited, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated on making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if at all you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy, just leave a comment down below. Now let's get into the video. A side hustle could be a much needed lifeline. Not only is it an opportunity to earn some extra money, but it can be the key to making ends meet, paying off high interest debt, saving and investing more, or even breaking free from your day job. Did you know that almost half of working Americans own up to having a side hustle? And more people are looking for new ways to generate income, and having a side hustle could well be the answer you are looking for. It's important for you to choose the right side hustle for your personality and skill set. If, for example, you are aware that you don't like selling, then you probably shouldn't start a business that involves reaching out to people individually. But, if you love animals, and are good with them, then a pet service would be a good fit. Here's a pro tip. First, a side hustle needs to make money, so don't be afraid to charge for your services. Second, be sure and plan to spend a good amount of time on sales and marketing also. Number 1. Start small, and don't invest right away. One of the best ways to earn money is by starting a side hustle, which is a part-time job or business venture. Taking small steps to launch a side hustle today puts you well ahead of those who start tomorrow. Guys, this is a good time to jump in and start out small. It's good strategy and better value to grow your business for 6 to 12 months before deciding to quit your day job and do it full-time. It's best to wait until you are making a steady monthly income. Because, when you're strapped for money, it's likely you won't make good decisions. Taking small steps also allows you to wisely invest your resources in the beginning. Your time is a valued resource. Don't try to have everything perfect before you have any real social media presence or validation. Growing your side hustle slowly allows you to make adjustments as you move along, which is much less risky than going all in at the start. Number 2. Find the right side hustle for you. The right side hustle for you should meet 3 criteria: you're good at it, you enjoy it, and you can make money doing it. This might seem like an impossible goal, but you can start by simply thinking about what you're already good at. People take what they know for granted and think it's not a worthwhile skill. But one skill can work as a strong foundation for a new business. If you have trouble identifying your strongest skills, then consider talking to those who know you best. Talk to your friends, family, or coworkers and ask them to help you figure out your strengths. You can also look at your previous experience. Think about a question or a solution that people always come to you with. You can use the skills you've learned from your previous work experience in your side hustle. It's time to embrace the skills you've learned at your current or previous jobs. They may well be applicable to your side hustle. This is your time to go off and create your own thing on the side and get paid for it. If you're a teacher, you can tutor online. If you're a car mechanic, you can fix up and sell used cars on the side. So, why not use the expertise you have that's making your employer money and make money for yourself? Your side hustle should be something you look forward to doing and adds value to your life and to others, and should not detract from it. Also, don't set your bar too high that you're unable to meet those criteria. It doesn't have to be a life passion, because not everyone finds it. You have to enjoy the work you're doing in business, because there are always gonna be obstacles. You're now wondering how to make money from a side hustle. Put yourself where the money is already flowing. If you want to sell physical products, go where people are already shopping, like eBay, Etsy, and Amazon. Then simply put yourself into those marketplaces and make it easy for people to do business with you. This way you're setting yourself up for success. Number 3. Be clear about your reasons for starting. Here are some reasons to consider. Are you looking to leave their full-time job? Or looking to paying off debts? Or build an emergency fund? Or save for a rainy day? Or looking to invest more for your retirement? Or saving up for a home down payment? Whatever your reasons, it's important for you to focus on why you're doing this. Always start with an end goal in mind, because it's easier to measure your progress. Your side hustle doesn't have to turn into the next $1 million idea. But, it can be successful, if it helps you reach your specific goals. Number 4. Prioritize your time. Prioritizing your time is important and allows you not to give up sleep and to build a successful side hustle business. You don't have to spend 15 to 20 hours a week on a side hustle for it to take off. It's best to set non-negotiable times to work on your project. This doesn't need to be an unreasonable amount of time. For you it could be 2 to 3 days per week from 6 to 9 p.m. but you must commit to those hours. Be realistic and simply do a little bit at a time. Whatever small amount of time you do is a step in the right direction. Another pro tip. Deadlines do work. And action brings the right results. Small deadlines on your calendar can signpost you into action and free you from overthinking things. Number 5. Ask for what you're worth. Don't be afraid to charge people for your services. This can be a big challenge to overcome for your first side hustle. Know your worth, because you are providing a service, giving value and fulfilling a need that another company or person has. You have to put a price on what you do and have a very clear method of payment. It's important to spend a good chunk of your time on activities that actually generate revenue. Be careful not to do a lot of busy work that results in $0. Be prepared to spend a large portion of the non-negotiable time you've set aside for your side hustle on figuring out how to get your message and product out on social media platforms. You must commit at least a third of your time to something that will directly monetize your business. And spend time to refine and hone your product. But the time will eventually come when you need to release it and allow people to find you. Number 6. Publishing your own newsletter. Another way to earn money is to consider publishing your own newsletter about the topic that you're passionate about. You could start with a small email list of friends and family and slowly build it up to include more people who are interested in your niche. Number 7. Create your blog. Create your blog and monetize it with Google AdSense is also a good way to earn money online. That's it for now. This is Money Winners. Make sure to smash the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in our next How to Make Money Online video. Also, before you go, leave me a comment and let me know if you tried making money online and what worked for you.